Downloading high-quality images from Behance can be useful for reference or inspiration. Here's how to do it. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and signing into your account. You can browse projects without an account, but having one allows you to interact more fully with the community. Find a project. Use the search bar or explore categories to locate the project containing the images you wish to download. Click on the project thumbnail to open it. View images in full size. Once in the project, click on the images to view them in full size. This ensures that you are accessing the highest quality available. Download the image. To download, right-click on the full-sized image. In the context menu, select Save Image As. Choose the desired location on your device and click Save. This will typically save the image in its original resolution. Respect copyright. Keep in mind that the images on Behance are often copyrighted. Use them for personal reference only and seek permission if you intend to use them for commercial purposes.